This is a fire, local village fire truck. See, right? This is Ford 85. I don't know what 85 means. I don't know if it means 85 octane fuel or looks like a pretty much a rudimentary pumper truck, a little small mobile pumper truck. Got connectors right here at the bottom. Got an axe. Who you gonna call? Who you gonna call? Think you better call. Who you gonna call? Yeah. Who you gonna call? It's not open, but I'm trying to look in here. It looks like it's got a V8 in it, but a V8. It doesn't look like a flathead though. But
I told the witch doctor I was in love with you.
But then again, maybe it is a flathead. Yeah, I think it's a flathead V8 in here. And from the front, I don't know, maybe 1939. I'll have to look this year up based off this grill. Yeah, I think it's like a late 30s Ford pickup.